All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is quarter 4, and we are building our very first app called Digital Doodle. 1_1_2. Today is St. Patrick's Day. It's an exciting day because it's the start of March Madness. The madness is beginning. Here we go. So I want this next button to be a green button that is round, 30 by 30, and the user is going to click on it, and that's going to change our pen color. So I'm going to go down to button 4. I really don't care if this is called button 4, button 2, or button 3, because I'm going to give it a name anyway. Are you with me on that? So it doesn't matter if they're out of order, because I'm the programmer, I'm in control. I'm going to say this is BTN green. I give it a name. I can go set the background color over here to green. I can make it font bold. I'll make it 24 font like the other one. And I'm going to make its height 30 pixels by width 30 pixels. Just giving it the exact same size as the other one. I'm going to make it an oval. Now it's round. And I'm going to say I want your text to be a big capital G. Got caps locks on, turn it off, capital G, and there I go. Thumbs up, you understand what I just did, making that a green button. Okay, let's repeat that process for the next button. Are you with me on that? Okay. So I'm going to go click on this button up here. I don't care what number it is. It doesn't matter because I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it BTN Blue. I give it a name. And I'm going to go give it a background color of blue. I'm going to make its font bold. I'm going to make it 24 font, exactly like my other buttons. I'm going to make its height 30 pixels. I'm going to make its width 30 pixels. And I'm going to make its text a big capital B for blue. And I'm going to make its shape an oval. Thumbs up if you're good on the third button. Are we good back here? What are you doing? Did you drag in a horizontal arrangement? Go to your layouts, drag in a horizontal arrangement, and start putting your buttons in. Okay? Let's go to the last button. I'm going to call this button BTN Mystery. It's a mystery. We don't know what color we're going to get when we click on that button. I'm going to go background color is, I'll go dark gray here. And I'll show you how to do a custom button tomorrow. We're going to go font bold. The font size is going to be 24, exactly like my other buttons. Height and width is going to be 30 pixels. Width is going to be 30 pixels. And 5 minutes left. Shape is oval. And I'll put a big question mark here, because the user's not going to know what to get. Okay. 5 minutes left. Now, do you like those buttons shoved over to the left? Does that look good, shoved over to the left? No. How about we center those buttons up? You'd like to do that? All right, so what you do here, I'll show you how to do this. You go to Horizontal Arrangement 1, click on it, and then you go over to its properties, and do you see where it says Aligned Horizontal? And I'm just going to click on Center. And now all those buttons are right in the center of the screen. Is that pretty cool? So do you see how these horizontal, if I didn't have a horizontal arrangement in here, I couldn't do that. So these horizontal arrangements, once you learn how to use them, they make your life a lot easier. So real quickly, let's go get another horizontal arrangement, because I think we can do this in 1 minute here. And I'm going to say this is horizontal arrangement number 2. I'm going to make its height and width fill parent. Okay. And then inside of here, I'm going to go to drawing and animation, and I'm going to get a canvas. All right, this canvas, once again, is height and width fill parent. Make it fill up that entire parent device. Okay? I got a horizontal arrangement. Inside the horizontal arrangement, I put a canvas. I'm going to rename this canvas CNV. What do we call it? Pic frame. And there's my CNV picture frame. Okay? I'm going to do one more thing real quickly because I can. I'm going to do one more horizontal arrangement, and I'm going to get it set up at the bottom. See how it goes across the bottom? I want its width only to be fill parent. I'm going to say your background color is none. And now I can start putting how many buttons in here. How many buttons do I want to go across the bottom? 3. So I'm going to go to my user interface, and I'm going to grab 3 buttons. 1, 2, and 3. And we will finish this up tomorrow. All right? You got to come in here tomorrow with what 2 things? Nope. More primitive than that. In order to do this class, you have to have what? You have to have a Gmail account. Folks, it's up to you to get a Gmail account. Thank you, sir. Here you go. You have to have a Gmail account, and you need to know what 2 things in that Gmail account. What 2 things do you have to know? Username and password. I cannot, nor will I, control your username and password. Are you with me? Are you with me? It's up to you to be responsible and to go out and to get a username and password in a Gmail account. Are we good? All right, I'm going to save this video. Save.